iPhone 15 has an all-new design that's simply gorgeous. Starting from the front, it has the dynamic island, which has been a hit with our pro users. The dynamic island fluidly expands and adapts to your alerts and live activities, creating an experience that's so intuitive it feels magical. Now, even more users can easily control their music or see the next direction in maps. Our amazing community of developers have made the dynamic island even more useful by expanding what it can do. Now, you can track a pizza delivery and follow the big game at the same time. When you're catching a flight, you can see which gate you're leaving from and how long until boarding time. It's more helpful than ever. And the dynamic island looks fantastic on the Super Retina XDR display, which uses OLED technology. It provides an exceptional viewing experience with thinner borders, rich color, and support for Dolby Vision. It comes in two sizes, 6.1 inches for iPhone 15 and 6.7 inches for iPhone 15 Plus. We use metallic ions to build color into the foundation of the material itself, precisely controlling the saturation to create 5 stunning colors: pink, yellow, green, blue, and black. iPhone 15 has an entirely new advanced camera system. It is designed to help our users take fantastic photos of everyday moments in their lives. We're always looking for ways to make it easier for everyone to take gorgeous photos. So we're bringing an amazing 48 megapixel main camera to iPhone 15. It's built for shooting sharp photos and videos every day with a quad pixel sensor and 100% focus pixels for fast autofocus. This 48 megapixel camera opens up some exciting capabilities. Say you're outside on a bright sunny day. You can maximize resolution with a 48 megapixel photo like this majestic landscape, which captures the fine details of the mountains, the rolling hills, and even the individual shingles on the houses. Of course, most of the time, it's best to balance detail and light capture, so we use computational photography to take the main camera to the next level. The sensor groups every 4 pixels together into a larger 2-micron pixel for fantastic light capture. Then, Photonic Engine takes the image that's been optimized for light capture and combines it with a super high-resolution image for rich details. The result is a 24 megapixel photo with incredible image quality and double the resolution. It perfectly balances light and detail and has a practical file size that's great for storing and sharing. And with all these pixels, we can do more than increase the resolution. Using the middle 12 megapixels of the sensor, we enabled a new 2x telephoto option for capturing photos and 4K video with optical quality. It's like having a third camera. To deliver all of these advanced features, iPhone 15 has an incredible chip, A16 Bionc. It was introduced on iPhone 14 Pro, and it's proven how powerful, fast, and efficient it is. The custom image signal processor enables the advanced camera system, so you can capture fantastic high-resolution photos and videos. The 16-core neural engine handles everything from computational photography to live voicemail transcriptions on device in order to protect your privacy. USB-C has become a universally accepted standard, so we're bringing USB-C to iPhone 15. It enables charging, transferring data, playing audio and video, and it's been built into Apple products for years. Now, the same cable can charge Mac, iPad, iPhone, and even AirPods Pro 2nd generation, which is updated with a USB-C connector. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are a huge leap forward. They're full of new industry-leading capabilities. They still start at just $799 for iPhone 15 and $899 for iPhone 15 Plus with carrier activation.